In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in DaVinci Resolve. First, let's begin by moving the playhead, which is the vertical line in your timeline, to the point where you want to make the cut. You can easily do this by clicking on the timeline. As you move the playhead, pay close attention to the clip that you want to cut. It's important to position the playhead precisely at the right moment. This step matters because it determines where the video will be split, allowing for more precise editing. Once you feel confident that the playhead is in the right place, you are ready to move to the next step. Next, select the clip that you wish to cut. You can do this by simply clicking on the clip in the timeline. As you select the clip, it will be highlighted, confirming that it is active for editing. This is crucial because any cuts or edits you perform will only affect the selected clip. Selecting the correct clip ensures you are working on the right footage. Take a moment to ensure that you have the correct clip selected before proceeding. Now it's time to press the required keys to create the cut. If you are using Windows, you will press Ctrl and B simultaneously. If you are on a Mac, you will press Command and B together. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and efficient way to split your clip at the playhead position. When you press these keys, you might hear a subtle sound or see a brief flash on the screen, indicating that the command was successful. This little step saves you a lot of time later by streamlining your editing process. After that, you will see that the clip has been split into two separate pieces. This is visually indicated by a break at the playhead position in your timeline. You can now click on either piece to move, edit, or delete it as needed. The separation of the clip allows for greater flexibility in your editing. You can now rearrange, trim, or apply effects to each segment independently. This step opens up a world of creative possibilities for your video. With that ready, you may want to review the cut you just made. Play back the edited section to ensure that it aligns with your vision for the project. This review process is essential because it helps catch any mistakes early, allowing you to make adjustments if necessary. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't hesitate to make another cut or adjustment. In summary, cutting clips in DaVinci Resolve is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your editing capabilities. Remember to position your playhead accurately, select the right clip, and use the shortcut keys effectively. You now have the tools to make precise edits that can elevate the quality of your video projects. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to focus on your creative storytelling. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!